Nothing is gearing up to take its software experience to the next level with the upcoming release of Nothing OS 4.0. The new version is expected to bring a fresh design along with major improvements in functionality. While the company hasn't revealed everything yet, the direction is clear. Nothing wants its OS to feel like more than just a bunch of menus. They want it to feel like a teammate, and AI, being at the core of the upcoming OS 4, it will definitely revolutionize the use experience. Recently, Google rolled out the stable Android 16 update to Pixel phones, which introduced UI enhancements like Material 3 Expressive, more Gemini AI integration, and features such as custom keyboard shortcuts that are expected to arrive later this year. Nothing is expected to follow suit by integrating many of these upgrades into its own ecosystem. Carl Pei recently shared during the Android Show's I/O edition that users can expect a more secure and polished Android experience on the Nothing phones. Additionally, last year during the launch of Nothing OS 3, Carl Pei and his team hinted at something much bigger. They expressed their ambition to eventually build a fully independent operating system, much like Apple's iOS. And honestly, it's not surprising. Nothing has been steadily following in Apple's footsteps, not just in unique product philosophy, but also in its long-term ecosystem strategy. What this means is that in the coming years, we could see Nothing creating a more closed-loop experience, where its hardware and software work together seamlessly. This shift would reduce dependency on third-party services and allow Nothing to offer more personalized and tightly integrated features across its devices. It's a bold move, but one that could help Nothing stand out in the Android space. If they succeed, we might be looking at the rise of a completely new tech ecosystem. So what's your take on this? Do you think Nothing should go all in and build its own OS from the ground up? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And for those of you who want early access to exclusive leaks and updates, make sure to join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Furthermore, what makes OS 4 even more interesting is Nothing's deeper push into AI. Pei explained that the company has been working closely with the community to design AI features that are built into the core of the system, not just added on top. In a short teaser, we got a glimpse of the updated widgets, icons, and even how the OS responds more like a helpful partner than just software. This clearly signals that more Gemini-like AI features could be integrated directly into the next version of Nothing OS. At present, the Nothing Phone 3 runs on Nothing OS 3.5, which is based on Android 15. It already includes the new AI-powered Essential Space, Essential Search, and Flip to Record features. And with promises of 5 years of Android OS updates and 7 years of security patches, Nothing is setting a strong foundation. But the real excitement lies in what Nothing OS 4.0 will bring. The good news is that the open beta version of OS 4.0 is expected to launch soon, giving early users the chance to test out new features and help refine the final version. Once the stable update rolls out for Phone 3, it's likely that devices like the Phone 2a and Phone 2 will follow soon after. With better developer tools for customizing the Glyph interface and stronger AI integration, Nothing OS 4.0 is shaping up to offer a smarter, more responsive experience. If you're excited about the future of Nothing OS, make sure to stay tuned by subscribing to our channel. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.